Good morning, students. So today we will solve some more questions. So this is question number 4 that was asked in the BARC 2021. Okay. So the question was like this. The fraction of total volume. The fraction of total volume occupied by atoms. The fraction of total volumes occupied by the atoms in a simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell is, in the option A it was given pi by 4, in the option B it was given half, in the option C it was given pi by 6, and in option D 2 by 3. So we will proceed for its solution part. Okay, so we will proceed for its solution part. तो फर्स्ट we will consider a cube. सो आप लोग सब क्यूब जानते हो. तो क्यूब क्या होता है ना, क्यूब का 6 फेसेस होता है, ये आपको पता होता है. क्यूब हैज 6 फेसेस एंड इज हाफ एज लेंथ is a. Okay, so let the edge length of cube be a. Let the edge length of cube be a and radius of atom be smaller. तो क्यूब में जो आटम है उसका रेडियस कितना होगा, तो रेडियस ऑफ आटम be smaller. So now in simple cubic system we know the number of atoms present. कितना atoms present इसमें होगा, तो इसमें फार्मूला क्या होता है 1/8 into 8, so this will be 1. So number of atoms present here will be 1. So volume occupied कितना होगा, so volume occupied this will be 1 into एटम का शेप क्या होता है स्पेरिकल, सो इसका वॉल्यूम कितना होगा 1 एटम का 1 into 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 एटम, because atom is spherical in nature, so if we will consider atoms then its volume will be 1 into 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so now in simple cubic atoms at corner they will touch with each other, will be touching with each other. Okay, this means कर्नर में टचिंग कर रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, तो देखिए, तो दिस इज द कर्नर एंड दिस इज अनदर कर्नर. So we can write is A is equal to 2r. Okay, A will be equal to 2r. Suppose you consider here one atom and here another atom, so they are touching with each other. So इसका हो जाएगा स्मॉलर एंड इसका हो जाएगा कितना स्मॉलर. So they are touching with each other and इसका एज लेंथ कितना है a है. So here we can write this as A equal to 2r. You can see this from the diagram. So A will be equal to 2r. So r का वैल्यू कितना होगा, r will be a/2. Okay, so this will be the value of r. So volume of the cube कितना होगा, next we will consider the volume of cube. जिस क्यूब का एज लेंथ a हो उसका वॉल्यूम कितना होगा, आप लोग +2 में बेसिक पढ़े होंगे, +2 एंड 10th में. तो इसका वॉल्यूम का फार्मूला होता है ए क्यू. सो फ्रैक्शन ऑफ टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाइड, so fraction of total volume occupied so I hope you will subscribe and like my channels, okay, so that I will inspired to put more and more videos for different types of examination, considering also this BARC examination. So we'll upload more and more solutions, so I need your supports. Okay, so fraction of total volume occupied कितना होगा 4/3 pi r cube. This is the volume of one atom निकाले थे हम, and volume of cube, so this will be a cube. Now we will expand this 4/3 pi. r का वैल्यू कितना होगा, तो r is a/2 here, so a/2 का cube divided by a cube. So this will be 4/3 pi into a cube by 8 divided by a cube by 8 divided by, okay, so this value we will calculate. This will be 4/3 pi into 1/2, so this will be pi by 6. So our option will be pi by 6. So this will be the correct option. So the fraction of total volume occupied by the atoms in a simple cubic unit cell, this will be pi by 6. Okay, so this will be 1/8. So 1/8, so this will be 4 से 8 को काट देंगे, so इतना कितना होगा 2, so this will be pi by 6. Okay, thank you. So I need your support, so please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you everyone. In the next video I will upload some more solution of 2021. Okay, thank you.